Good evening, my friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I Fix Japan. So I bought this one for like $50. Junk system, junk computer. I think this one like HP computer, right? But this one using the Pavilion HP computer. It take long time to start up, so let's see. I start by now how many minutes they use to start up my computer. I bought for $50. So this one HP 7265Ngw is like CPU i5 7200 at 2.71 gigahertz and got 1 terabyte normal hard disk, 2.5 millimeters, and then it got the 8 gigabyte RAM. It take me like 5 minutes to start until it's ready to use, and then to try the manager, the control panel. It take like 7 minutes to go there. It's embarrassing. It take a long time. Can see now I have the hard drive, and I have this 256 SSD. If I can use this one to do the Windows thing. Now see, take a long time, so I need to open it. This more than 5 minutes, so let's open it now. I don't want to wait for a long time. This is one most typical place. So what I to do is I take this one, the first one, across this line. When they click open, and then I try this one. This work very well and goes through the side, the corner first. Okay, then cup, then back here. The typical one. Okay. Then this. I did it, bro. I did it. Sure, just like this. Now I have to change. Just change this side, and then anything here. I don't see anything. Right. Which one is? I think this pin here, just like this. Oh, that's it. Ooh, that's it. Okay, just like this. So don't forget. So I got this one. Okay, easy, so doesn't change this line like this. Oh, see, you got the hole here, just like this, and another one. Open this side. Okay, in, then put back this side. Okay, that's it. And put it in. Yep. In. Okay. Oh, this side. This side first in. And down. That's it. Done. And then put this back in. Okay. Okay. It's locked like this. Then push down. That's it. Okay. That's it. Now the Windows already installed. Let's see how many seconds when you push the button until it starting. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2. Done? That's it? That's it? 10 seconds. 10 seconds. From a normal hard drive, it take 5 minutes to start. Then now we change to SSD. Only took like 12 seconds. See, when we use this one for normal hard drive, the CPU goes to like 100%. Okay, they are ongoing because they are automatic updating. Okay, all going good. 12 seconds. So let's do delete the start up. No, let's see. Start up application. Then something I do need Microsoft Drive. Security is fine. So close this one. Let's try to restart. Restart, because start is upgrading and the reinstalling. Let's do again. It take time. Okay, because he's installing something, has take a time, so it take 12 minutes to start the computer after upgrading to SSD. Okay, it take only $15 to upgrade to SSD. It's 256 GB. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time for another video. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See, very quick.